big factor we're looking for is learning. Like you don't have to know about tech, but you've got a talent for marketing. You got a talent with figuring things out. Our interview process is it might be a little extensive compared to other like you know uh, positions, but it's because we're looking for the right fit. Um, and obviously once that right fit's identified and we run through the progress, like then there's opportunities for like compensation as we grow as a company. But initially, we're looking for somebody that is willing to learn. So you don't have to know about the tech. I've got a little training program, like an intro, as part of like our onboarding for new employees that I'm constantly building up with partners, and and we're using kind of help train people up. But we do expect you to be able to figure things out. We do expect you to be able to learn. So maybe you don't know about like certain platforms or something, but you're going to be expected to like learn about them and then start working. It doesn't have to be perfect the first time around. We're like I said, innovation, so we're willing to like to fail as long as we learn from it and then we bring value
Yeah,
eventually.
like for you, I would think you'd want somebody who knows how to launch a product on product hunt, right? Like somebody, at least I know, at least to be able to learn how to launch something on product hunt. 'Cause I definitely see you being on product hunt once you're
Yeah.
ready.
Yeah, and there's so much that, like you said, there's so much that comes with marketing. But I guess what I'm getting at is we're open to well, we're going to be doing a lot of interviews, and we're open to that. And we don't need uh, or we don't expect perfection because how can you? And everybody doctors up the resumes. Everybody makes everything like look way better than it is. And totally got that, and that's why like we're really trying to filter out based on like how well can you learn and how like dedicated and motivated are you. Um and obviously there's left and right limits. Like we're willing to work with you to a certain extent, but if we find a candidate that's got that fit, that has like experience putting product to market and everything, well then we're going to take that into account. But that doesn't mean that we're not also looking at some more entry level positions that'll fall under that experienced
Yeah.
marketer. So that's why I'm saying we're pretty open right now. We're looking to build categories and build teams under those categories. So that's why we're taking a pretty in-depth approach. We're looking at multiple schools, like all good schools or schools that we have some sort of connection with. Like I got the professor in Chicago, and you'll kind of be managing like the interns in the Midwest region. I'm over here in Seattle. We got the East Coast and some partnerships in Austin, Texas as well, which is obviously a huge growing tech scene there. I don't know if you've been down there recently, but they're expanding.